Welcome to the future of flight. Globe showing Europe, Africa. In this exciting video, we're diving into the incredible world of sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, and how it's set to revolutionize the aviation industry. Asterisk what you'll discover. Asterisk. What is SAF? Seedling. Uncover the magic behind this innovative alternative fuel made from renewable resources like biomass and waste oils. Combating climate change. Globe showing Asia, Australia. Learn how SAF can slash greenhouse gas emissions by up to 80%, making a huge impact on our planet's future. Cleaner air. See how SAF helps reduce harmful emissions, leading to fresher air and healthier communities around airports. Airline Innovations. Airplane. Explore how top airlines are pioneering the use of SAF and what it means for your future travels. Passenger power. Luggage. Discover how eco-conscious travelers can drive demand for greener flights and support airlines committed to sustainability. Future tech. Rocket. Get a sneak peek at the latest advancements in SAF technology and production that promise to make sustainable air travel a reality. Join us on this fascinating journey as we explore how SAF is paving the way for a cleaner, greener future in aviation. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a climate champion, or just curious about the latest in green technology, this video has something for everyone. Don't forget to asterisk like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing insights into sustainable innovations and the future of travel.